Hello guys, so we're gonna learn about quadrilaterals. So a quadrilateral means quad means four. So these are four-sided shapes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. There's all of these have four sides, okay? So let's start with our first one. Oh, so a rectangle is a four-sided shape, but look, it has it has as one, it has two, it has three, it has four, and it has five. I mean four. It has four sides and four of these. And when you do this, it's a 90 degrees angle. And the same thing for all the sides. But look, when you measure that with this one, it's not equal, okay? So this is almost an equal shape, but it's way, way, way different, okay? So let's go to the next shape, up. Now let's talk about a rhombus. A rhombus is four-sided. And as you see, this, it's not a perfect straight shape. It's like this. It's like this. It's slanted like this. But a normal one is like this. So it's kind of a little bit slanted, like this. Yeah. It only needed this much in order to be a rectangle. So it's like almost a square, but it's different. A square must be like this, but a little bit bigger by this much, okay? So let's erase all of this, and now let's go to the next shape. So the third shape that we have here is a parallelogram, which means parallel means straight. It's not actually. If it goes these two ways, yeah. But it's a little bit more slanted than the rhombus. So let me show you how much slanted is it. This is how much slanted is it. Look, it's a little bit shorter, but look, it is this much longer. So that claims to be a parallelogram. So let's go to the next shape on board. Now, this is the second last shape, which is a square. So look, first of all. Look. It has four corners, and has four equal sides. Not like a rectangle. And it has the same thing like the rectangle. The same angles. The same equal angles that the rectangle has. It almost looks like a cross now. But that is how it is. So let's get on to the other shape on board. Our last shape on board. Now, this is our trapezoid, our last one. A trapezoid is almost like it's almost like a square, but Look, the difference is, look, the difference is because when you start here, it's bigger on this side, but not on this. So that means, look, these two areas are not equal. This one is larger than this area, and this area is this. These two are larger than it. So that's kind of similar to a rectangle. That's kind of similar to a rectangle, but different. Okay, and now let's get all of our shapes together to conclude. And here's all of our shapes. Okay? So here's all of our shapes. So let's see if you know what each one is. I think you know what these are. This is a fun game. So I'm bringing out this one. What do you think this is? I'll pause the video if you want to. This is a rhombus. If you got it correct, good job. And our next one, what is this? This is a parallelogram. If you got it correct, good job. And make sure to subscribe, first of all. What about this shape? What about this shape? This is a rectangle. What about this shape? That is a square. And what about this? That is a triangle. If you got all 5 correct, good job. Now you completed this quiz. And we're going on to make more videos. So make sure to subscribe, like, and share to those who don't know about this. Well, bye.